my channel. I am Riya, and in this video I'm going to show you a very huge and interesting Flipkart fashion haul. So let's begin. Okay, so recently I've been going through Flipkart now and I saw like a lot of really good, quirky, nice quality pieces, and I thought, why not get our hands on them and review it for you guys. And of course I wanted them, so hence this video. Few of the things that I would like to say about Flipkart is that the products are really affordable and they have really great quality. Super fast delivery with products, from every category. So in this haul I have a lot of clothing items, bags, shoes, jewelry, and a lot of good things, and you're gonna love them, I'm sure. And the best part is no question asked return. Some of the items that did not really fit me, I returned them, and it was so hassle free. Like, the delivery guy just came, like the return guy just came and took the product and I got my refund like that. It was that easy. So hence I think Flipkart is my newfound love now. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Let's start with clothing items, okay? The very first clothing item that I got is this beautiful olive green skirt which has pleats all over it. As you can see, it is really pretty, has an asymmetrical cut right here and looks super gorgeous. It's from this brand called Insua, and I have bought a couple of pieces earlier also from this particular brand, and I feel the quality is really good. I got this one for rupees 304, and all the product links will be given in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. The next up, I have an olive green jacket. It's a denim jacket and it's not that heavy, but it does the job. As you can see, my obsession with green all around. I love the shade of this olive jacket. It's dark and it's cropped like I want. I love my jackets cropped, and it has, these golden buttons right over your pocket area. It legit has pockets. I am like surprised, happily surprised. And yes, really absolutely love this jacket. I feel jackets are such a great way to uplift whatever you're wearing. Even if you're wearing like a simple tank top or a spaghetti top, just flare it up with a jacket with some like jewelry, necklaces layered together, and boots and jeans, and you're sorted.
Well, if you want any more tips how to dress yourself or how I dress myself, you can follow me on Instagram.
Shameless plug-in, but yes, here's my handle. I am Riya Basu, and yes, okay, that's it. So I got this jacket for rupees 350. Again, like, guys, this is like a steal deal. You won't really find something at this price, like a jacket like this, anywhere, and it is made in India, which is so good. I really love it. It's in the size XL. The skirt was in the size, where is it? The skirt was in the size medium. The next piece of clothing item is denim jeans. So it is, आजकल straight leg jeans का काफी trend चला है, so I got myself one. It's a white legged black jeans. It's from this brand called Coty, which is very famous, which is an Indian brand which is very famous, and I absolutely love the quality of these jeans. It's like, it's not stretchable, it's like roll denim fabric wala jeans. I got the size 32 in this one. It's super high waisted, amazing quality. Have worn it and washed it a couple of times as well, and color it has not gone anywhere. For girls who are above 5'5", like 5 feet 5 inches, it'll be a little bit cropped. Got it for under rupees 500 or 600, something like that. And next up, I got these jogger pants. As you can see,
I am obsessed with joggers because, work from home and having nowhere to go. I got a lot of joggers these past couple of months.
So this one is again in the size 32 from this brand called Tokyo Talkies, which is very famous, and I have a lot of items from them. It is in this beautiful rusty colored thingy, and it's perfect for travel. I have traveled to McLeodganj wearing this. I wore this a lot. I went to a lot of places. I'll put some pictures and videos here, as you can see. and it's beautiful, guys. The quality is very nice. It's very thick and has a cargo like design. As you can see, the pockets, big pockets right at the sides. It has this elasticated bottom part as well, so super good. Then next up I got this really nice dhoti pant. It's super bright red, like maroonish in color. It's showing red on the camera, I don't know why. It's maroon and yellow in color, and it is from this brand called Anvi. Got in the size large. It is super cool. It's a dhoti pant, so I would love to travel in them because it's so soft and comfortable, and dhoti pants and joggers and all these things are very comfortable to wear. I can wear them and chill at home as well, so amazing. Fabric is super soft. It's in cotton, and yeah, really nice for pictures as well. Then the next clothing item is this pair of shorts. It's hot pink in color and perfect for working out. That's the reason I got it. I love to get new clothing pieces to work out so that I get some sort of motivation to get my workout done on time. So yes, this is for that reason, and it's really good quality. It has this cut which a lot of workout pants have, and really like the fit of it. Got it in the size 32 again, XL. I like my bottoms a little loose, hence great piece. I forgot to tell the prices. This one I got for rupees 227. These dhoti pants for rupees 500. Then coming back to the footwear, I got two very nice sporty looking shoes, and one is this one. I got this recently. It's a high top from Jack and Jones. So I used to think Flipkart doesn't sell genuine pieces, but bro, it is absolutely genuine, and absolutely like it blew my mind when I opened it because it's so beautiful and so pretty. It has cushioned footbeds and it has a tag. It came in a Jack and Jones ka dabba, so it's totally authentic and original. So don't worry if you are like thinking if it's original or it's fake. It's 100% original. Got them for I think around rupees 750 or 800 rupees. Steal deal. Like, go get your hands on these beautiful looking shoes. Absolutely love it. And then another pair of sneakers that I absolutely love is these are beige Fila sneakers. Absolutely love them to bits. Love the combination of black and beige and white, and like it's so gorgeous, you guys. I am so much in love with them. I got this again in the same price range. It's 70 to 800 rupees. Got them at such steal discounts. Like, I am so impressed with Flipkart, guys. Again, linked in the bottom bar. Do check them out. Super duper comfortable. Very like you can work out, run, train, anything in these beautiful babies. Next up I have two handbags, and I like hands down like love them to bits, using them regularly every other day, every single day. Very good quality, very amazing, from this brand called Lavi, and both of the bags are like such steal deals. This one is this very trendy shoulder bag, very nice, very good quality, has a lot of space to like put anything inside it. Like, amazing purchase, like totally love it. And yeah, it has like gold detailings all over it, and this is how it looks like. Beauty. Got this one for something around 1000 rupees or so. I will again link it in the bottom bar down below. Next up I have this really stunning shoulder bag slash office bag, which I am nowadays taking to office because my office has opened. And yeah, it's this really pretty burgundy color handbag. It is super spacious. I carry my laptop inside it. It has a big bada danda, like it has a big handle as well, so you can shoulder pe bhi aap laga sakte ho. Then two small handles as well, so you can like carry it like a normal regular shoulder bag. Totally love it. Has a lot of space. Like, Lavi is known for its bags, and hands down really nice beautiful bags they have. Okay, so I got two watches for myself. Really nice beautiful looking watches. This one is a very vintage looking digital watch from this brand called Casio. कैसी हो? मेरे जोक्स बहुत ही बेकार होते हैं, बट ठीक है. Very nice, like has a gold detailing and really nice. And I got this I think for under ₹1,000. So under ₹1,000 में इतना सुंदर वॉच गाइज नहीं मिल सकता कहीं पे भी. Just grab it. It's amazing. It's really nice. And another watch that I got is this really vintage looking watch. ये ऐसे पुराने ज़मानों में मम्मियाँ पहनती थी, and वो because everything is like returning back, and hence this watch. It's a beautiful gold dainty watch. It has a rectangle sort of a dial and really cheap. I think I got it under for ₹500. Like wow, under ₹500 में this watch. My mind is blown. Then I got this really beautiful piece from Jewels Galaxy. It is a brand on Flipkart, and I got this layered neck piece which has like 3 layers with it. One has a heart, one is a chain, and one is like a lock sort of a thingy. Looks really nice when you wear it with a plain t-shirt. Really good quality. I've worn it a couple of times. Take it, like Ria recommended for sure. Then I got another set of jewelry, which is silver jewelry. My love for silver jewelry is like to another level. I absolutely love it. This one is a choker, and it has like, it came with 2 earrings and 1 neck piece. It's really beautiful, you guys. Like, this is a choker, and if you wear it, it looks pretty. Like, it'll like light up any outfit that you wear, especially if you wear like Indian outfits. It'll go so well with them. And then I got another set of rings and earrings. So this one is the ring, which is like this. It's written Musafir, and it's so cute, you guys. And these ones are the earrings. Really love it. Quality is amazing. I am Musafir. I love to travel, so hence this pair of earrings and rings. Talking about the prices, I forgot to tell you the prices. The Musafir one I got for ₹165, like 3 of them, and both the neck pieces, like the set and the layered neck piece, are somewhat around 200 and 250, not more than that. I got another choker, which is this one. It is this thick choker, which is an absolute essential. If you love silver jewelry, you must have this. This is really good quality, and like doubles up as this, what do you call this, headband? I don't know, Coachella vibes are मेरे को. But yes, really pretty, really good quality. Again, around 200 rupees. We'll link it in the bottom bar. Then I got this really pretty eyeshadow palette from Flipkart. It is so nice. Like, look at the colors, you guys. It's so pretty, and I got this for under ₹200. Can you believe it? Actually, I'm not a makeup person, but I want to like try out new things, and I wanted to experiment with eyeshadows, so hence I got this palette for 200 rupees. I think it's a great deal, pigmentation wise, quality wise, quantity wise. It's super. Last accessory items are some hats, because I am obsessed with hats. First up, we have these 2 bucket hats. I got both of them I think for 350 or 400 rupees, so it's basically 200 per piece. First up is this, and like, how do we look? Next up is this one. I like the fitting of the red one better than the beige one, but so good. Like, when am I gonna go to vacation and wear this shit? Like, seriously. Next up, I got this black color ka cap, because I wanted one, because I don't know, I just like wearing caps when I dance. So yeah guys, that is about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and yes, if you like this channel or this face or anything that I create, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. It would mean the world to me. You guys don't know, every like that you do, every comment that you do, every subscribe that you do, it makes my day, and it makes me so happy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay safe. I love you, and I will see you next time. I have made a lot of haul videos previously as well. I will link a couple of them in the bottom bar down below. Please go to my channel, have a look, and subscribe if you feel like. I love you. Bye.